Ecofoil Radiant Barrier for your attic installation. Ecofoil Perforated Radiant Barrier is the only product recommended for use in an attic installation. The product comes in a 48-inch wide roll with needle holes every 1/4 inch. This perforation allows for moisture at a molecular level to pass through it, so we don't end up with condensation or the possibility of mold. Now, because of this breathability, we do not use any tape with the installation of this product. But you will need some scissors or a sharp utility knife, some construction staples, a staple gun, and we recommend someone to help you hold the product while it's being installed. There are 2 different methods for installation depending on your climate zone: cooling, summer applications, and holding heat, the winter application. When installing in either application, there needs to be an airspace on one side of the product. If we were to install the product layered between 2 surfaces, like plywood and drywall, the heat would simply conduct through the material, making the foil barrier ineffective. For cooler climates with cold winter applications, we simply lay the perforated radiant barrier on top of the existing insulation or on the attic floor, on top of the ceiling joists, and simply cover the attic floor. If the blown insulation covers the joists, simply lay the barrier over top of it. And you can staple the barrier directly to the ceiling joist to keep it from moving around. When installing, we typically overlap the product by 1 to 2 inches. And be sure to leave a 6-inch gap around the perimeter of the attic floor, so as not to interfere with any ventilation mechanisms. For the hot climate summer applications, this application is designed for hot climates, especially when ductwork runs through your attic. It doesn't matter if the product is run top to bottom or bottom to top. Start by running the product perpendicular to the trusses or rafters and stapled directly to the wood framing as you roll the product out. And leave a 3-inch gap at the top for the ridge vent. It's important to let the attic breathe as it is intended to. With a properly installed Ecofoil Radiant Barrier in your attic, you'll enjoy comfortable days inside for years to come.